Alright guys, you see the excitement on my face? This is a face that is truly excited. Okay, what I'm doing now is, if I can, I am opening the tote that we have on the back of the trailer. And in this tote, we have this little portable burner. And this little gas one thingamajigger, you know, nothing. But it's not the burner that I'm excited about. It's what we're going to do with the burner. Now, Jena is one heck of a cook, and we're gonna do something tonight that we haven't done in 2.5 months since we left Arizona. We are gonna enjoy a Philippine dish called Chicken Adobo. Okay, if anybody out there knows about Chicken Adobo, then you're gonna be jealous. You're gonna be jealous. So with this magic little machine we have here, this little stovetop cooker, she is going to make us the best meal by far that we have had since we've been on the road. So that's why I'm excited. Super excited. All right, there is the implement. We are hooked up. All that's waiting is a pot full of chicken adobo. Cook, cook, cook. This is what we've been waiting on, huh, guys? Yes, ma'am. You guys just don't understand how good this is gonna be. Big old chicken thighs. Ooh. The soy sauce action. Excitement is building. Look at these dogs. It's exciting, isn't it? Yeah, it's your favorite, you guys. You love this stuff. Can you guys feel it? Boy, I sure can. That's gonna be some good stuff. Cannot wait. Wish I could speed up time right now. Alright guys, this right here is the magic of adobo. Now, we don't have bay leaves, but that's okay. Bay leaves normally go in here, but you got some of that really good vinegar there, olive oil, some kinklemans, salt and pepper, some onions, and when it's done, yeah, throw it over the top of rice and enjoy it. Thanks, gorgeous.
You're more than welcome.
So the chicken adobo is done. We moved inside the trailer to keep it away from the flies, and now we're about ready to eat. Yay! There you guys go, the final product. I'm not gonna sit there and show it to you for long because I'm gonna eat it. There's the chicken adobo.